facing the right direction.
Hey guys, so today I am terrified. Today I am going from this to, and yeah, that's going to be the transformation. I'm going to have Charlie, which you obviously remember. And then we have Charlie's little sister Grace, who's also going to be helping. And right now they are attacking a random person, but they'll be back soon.
Hold up. Okay. Now on my channel, but hi.
I mean that my.
We're doing Glenn's drag makeup.
Are we recording?
Are we?
Oh, that's
okay,
nice.
I'm eating animal
Alright.
Alright.
This is
10 out of 10.
Elf Blemish Control Face Primer.
Okay, I think we got the
Okay.
name.
So that's the first thing we're putting on his face, and
Oh,
he's probably
okay.
got some blemishes, so we're just gonna like
Oh.
load that up. Ooh. Oh.
Stop. Why is there
Where?
a blackberry in here? Here you go.
That was from throwback to my video. Link right
Yeah.
here.
Actually, yeah, it would
face?
be over here.
Link over here to my video that you'll figure out what the blackberry is about.
And what the channel name is.
We don't have a channel name
What
yet.
is the channel
We probably
name?
do by now.
Okay.
On you?
Okay.
Alright.
I have makeup wipes.
Ooh,
It
dark
looks the
girl.
same.
Looks like chocolate.
I want to eat it.
Look at.
No, you're not allowed to eat Glenn. Only Phil.
Charlie, you keep moving in front of the camera, and then all of a sudden it changes the lighting, and Glenn's like washed out because
Oh,
you're
it's
too
okay.
white.
Shut up!
Turn on his
LA
arm.
Colors face palette.
All we. Well, they just put on foundation and powder.
I know.
Hold up.
Did we get any concealer?
You want me to pass you the Ben Nye the Science Guy thing?
Ben
Sure.
Nye the Science Guy.
Hey, that was my joke, Charlie.
Ben. This is why I'll never be a makeup artist.
Elf was an acronym?
Blue?
What does it mean?
Eyes, lips, face.
I see.
Wet n Wild Mega Liner in the shade of
Don't drop things.
Electric blue.
Voltage Blue.
Oh.
No pain, no gain, Riley.
Why is that so sharp?
I don't know. I'm sorry.
Did you just stab him in the eye again?
No.
Yes.
No, I did
She
not.
just ripped like the first 17 layers of my skin.
You don't want to like not drown him so he's out of the shot. Like keep him in the middle.
Sorry.
You're pushing him out of the shot.
Reese is like, let me be the center.
I'm not trying to.
It's like KY intense for your lips.
Are you feeling it now, Mr. Krabs?
Yeah.
Hold up. Glenn, you look depressed.
I am.
You look really depressed.
Thank you.
That nose is snatched, though.
Thank you.
New knows who dis.
Honestly, we chose the perfect highlight. Like,
It looks really, really good.
Your lips are super, super shiny.
Thank you.
It's like a mirror. Very reflective.
Everyone,
I can see my soul in them.
not eyeliner yet, because you
I
gotta
know,
do some
like-
intense eyeshadow.
What is that thing?
that is a marker.
That's
looks
a gun!
That looks
Okay, there we go. Now we can see
Uh,
it.
You can
Smoky
kinda see
Basics eyeshadow.
Smoky
and I'm
Bear?
using no a Bare Essentials tapered eyeshadow brush for
Bear?
the packing brush.
Smoky
And-
Bear?
Some cheap Walmart Moda
They're not cheap at all.
eyeshadow.
You're so
Snatch your
I'm
weird.
surprised
know.
you can sense it to this, but it's great.
You
I
be
just-
surprised. I wanted to do makeup videos forever. I just have
Try
no
maybe
knowledge.
When
A
we
little bit
decided
more
we were
darker
gonna do
colors,
this
because this is like
in your Walmart
white.
video.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, Marley was the one who said she would do
You're
it.
on a
Yeah,
Bill Nye
Marley.
the Science Guy cap.
Oh my bad, it's not like I haven't been offering to do stuff this entire time.
We didn't
Mr. Steal Your Girl. Wait, no, Mr. Steal Your
Matt
Daddy.
finished.
I like how we're finishing with doing set spray with one eye on.
Was it worth it for the views, Glenn?
I don't know yet.
He
Don't
looks
even know
like
how
he
many
wants
views
to
he got.
kill me.
He probably does, to be honest. What's
What's
the
new?
children say these days? TBH.
Get out of my house.
No, I'm doing that for whatever that's called.
Eyeshadow?
Yeah.
That's not gonna.
It'll work.
Are
you
Wait, did you grab my phone?
Yeah.
I'm using
Look
mine.
fat boo with that necklace on.
Move.
It's called a choker.
Charlie, it can't
Make this
even
one
open.
blue.
It's not.
Harley
one blue?
Quinn.
No,
Harley
it's because
Quinn.
my hands are
I mean, the
smudgy.
pink is
Blue.
actually showing up, so that's nice.
Okay, I'm trying to get as much pink as possible.
What? Here.
No, this is a nice angle.
Nearly nothing.
Oh, that's kind of a problem. Okay, hold the
Rip.
back of your pants.
Ooh, that was a punch.
I know technically this isn't eyeshadow, but we're going for a Harley Quinn look right now.
Are we?
Apparently.
Harley Quinn drag.
Who is that dude anyway?
It's Charlie's dad.
That's not.
Eyebrows up.
Um,
Harley Quinn. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh.
That's a look.
Ooh. Are you recording something?
What's going on here?
I'm not exactly sure.
This
Glenn-
might be a
Glenn
decent
looks
angle.
beautiful. Oh, that's on my finger.
Experimental videography.
Grace, you look sick.
That's my girl.
Just knocked over the blue eyeliner, Glenn.
Doesn't matter.
Yeah, it does. Okay, don't open your eyes. Are you using me as a way to block you out of the video, Molly?
Absolutely. See, I'm pointing it like right where I would be in the mirror.
Be careful, Cheryl. What's a lot of sodium?
Be careful, children. That's a lot of sodium.
It's not funny the second time.
When the joke needs to be repeated a second time to be funny.
I'll just cut one of them out.
Sorry, I'm stupid!
You just...
Thank you so much, Marley. I would reach out to try to pet your shoulder, but I feel like I'm going to touch something else instead.
Did you say Marley?
I can protect my boob.
No, I'm talking to Marley. She's the one recording this, not Evelyn. Evelyn doesn't do shh.
Alright,
Beautiful.
Glenn, open your eyes.
glorious.
It's like 1,000 times better
Glorious.
than it was before.
Like
so.
the rising sun.
Thank you, I improvise.
Eyeshadow time. Or no, eyeliner.
Harley Quinn.
We're back at it. Ooh.
Eyeliner.
I like. This is like a natural filter, and I really like it. Like.
Come in here.
We're not recording.
Are we?
No, not at all.
This one you are, because this is good. Hi.
I just want Marley.
Don't do that. That's awkward.
Really?
Maybe you can open your eye.
I
What?
just want Marley to come in here so I can record her.
Marlene!
Your speech was so good.
Why I did it before you put the eyeliner on?
I will look better once you have the eyeliner on.
Thank God.
I just put my foot on the sink and I think it just like got my pants wet. No, don't you dare turn it
Left an
on!
ice cube on the floor and
Now my sock is wet. Who the fuck would have died?
Please do not scream in this echoey bathroom and point a gun at me! Hello.
Nice just Evelyn.
The only thing that's making this thing better.
You're gonna get views just for this cat.
I know, right? Like, here.
Look how cute he is with his little bow tie.
let's
Oh,
get-
he's out. He
Oh.
is out.
How much of this video are you gonna keep, Glenn?
Maybe like 10, 15 minutes.
Oh, I'm recording the ground right now
Close the
because
door.
we haven't revealed this yet.
Who is it?
Come in.
Hi boys, it's Shaniqua. How you doing? Oh my gosh, I look good.
Shaniqua,
Damn.
Shaniqua, can you do a spin for us?
Shaniqua!
Grace, come see Shaniqua.
Hey hon, how you doing?
She looks great.
This guy knows that.
He doesn't Wait, Glenn, you turn this way.
He could actually be.
They're not real.
So they're trying to get more people to see this, so I'm the only one here, not here with Evelyn. We have both doors locked, so we're fine. But thank you for watching this video. I hope it wasn't too weird or too long. I had a lot of fun making it. If you like this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe, share this with all your friends. Comment down below. What do you think of Shaniqua? And yeah, all my social media is right there. Actually, I'm not sure where it's going to be. It's around here. And I think that's all you guys, so let's have some fun and smile because, I don't know, Shaniqua could make a comeback someday.